Hey my YouTube babies, guess what? Guess what I got? Let me show y'all what I got. This thing heavy. Yes, it's, hold on. Okay. I hope y'all can see it. Okay, let me show you. I got the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven. Y'all see that? So, let me just show y'all how this looks. Excuse them boxes back there. This, yeah. I also had got that thing right there, but this is what my video gonna be about. Yas. Guys, I am going to be unboxing my Ninja Foodi. I'm gonna show y'all guys what all it came with. I'm gonna do an unboxing, and my next video I will be cooking some good stuff. So this video is just gonna be the unboxing of this lovely thing. Okay. So first I'm gonna show you guys what it comes with. I'm gonna open it for you guys. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to open this because so it's a 18-watt Foodi Pro air fryer, air oven. I mean, it's an oven, not air fryer. So with true surrounding convention, you're gonna get 2 pan sheets, an air fry basket, 2 wire racks, a roast tray, 13 by 15 times 11.7 inches, a removable crumb tray, and a little recipe cookbook. So let me open it and show you guys how it looks. So you open it up. These are some accessories that they want you guys to buy. So I'm going. Look at this. And it comes like this. So I'm gonna take it out and show you guys what it comes with. But I'm not gonna take it out of the box in front of you guys. It's too heavy for me. So it has some instructions, some tips and tricks. Instructions and the cookbook. Okay. And look. So I'm gonna take everything out of the box and be back with you guys, okay? About the size of a small microwave. So I'm gonna open the instructions. This is the cookbook it comes with. The owner's guide. And this is some tips and tricks. You guys can see. So it says whole roast, air fry, pizza, bake, dehydrate, broil, toast, bagel, and reheat settings. Just showing y'all. I'm gonna read the quick tips. So they recommend that you either use canola oil, refined coconut, avocado vegetable, or grapeseed. They do not recommend olive oil. Good to know. Butter and margarine. We can't use butter. Like, how am I supposed to get my chicken the way I want it if I can't use butter? But you know what? It should still get crispy without me using butter. I guess I'll be using other oils. So that's that. They do have trays in here. You guys, this is an actual handle. So I'm gonna show y'all what's in this box. It comes with this. Use this roast tray to reduce smoke. Got one. The regular tray. So there's two trays. Nicely wrapped. So these are the buttons. But guys, like I said, this is just the unboxing. I will be cooking in this tomorrow. I have to get some things and I will show you how it cooks. So this is where the number display is. So it's actually on a handle. Okay. And we got this rack, as you guys can see. And they do recommend you clean this with soap and water. I have to read the instructions to see if it is dishwasher safe. This is the fry tray. This is the crumb tray. Yeah, yes, it's about the size of a small microwave. So I'm gonna put these back and I am going to show you guys how it looks on my countertop where I'm gonna be keeping it. And I'm gonna compare it to a regular size toaster oven because I do have one of those. So I'll be back. I do want to show you guys the home machine. I'm going to show you guys the back. This is where I'm going to be putting it. I'm going to move these two items out of the way and leave my air fryer right here. We're going to see if it's room. This is like a normal size cabinet. So yeah, I'll be right back. I wanted to compare the two side by side. This is my Black & Decker toaster oven that I've got for a wedding gift when I got married. And it compared to the Ninja Foodi air fryer oven, the bigger one. So just to give you guys a take on how big this is. It's really not that big. Like I said, it's the size of a microwave, a small little microwave. Okay, I also wanted to show you the plug. It's not that long. I mean, it's long enough, but there's no need to try to hide it because the machine is gonna cover it itself. So I just want to show y'all guys the plug. Okay, you guys, so this is how much room I got. Pretty much can take up the whole cabinet, but if you're gonna buy something of this this style, of course it's gonna take care of the cabinet. More than likely I'm not gonna keep it right here, but for the time being I will. Let me see, I probably will. I'm gonna put my little tools right here and I'm gonna scoot this over. Let me do that. I'll be right back. So yeah, I'm cleaning all my dishes. So like I have utensils that go in there, but I can dig it. I can dig it. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it right here, but I do want it out on display. And yeah, that's it. So yes, guys, this is the XL Ninja Foodi air fryer oven, whatever. Oh, y'all excited I am. I can't wait to cook a whole chicken in that thing. But that was it. Remember, you guys, write to me, subscribe to me, add me on Instagram, Breika's Life. And yeah, for my YouTube baby that follow me on my journey, I will be having an upload soon. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I have lost some weight. Can y'all tell? But videos will be soon.